Welcome back. In lecture 8, I'm going to show you how to add auto caption in Capcut PC and also make it stylish. Yes, we're going to go straight right onto it, and I'm going to be using the video from the last lecture and you're going to love it, trust me. So to do this, all we need to do is get the video into the timeline, and then we'll go to text. Once we click on text, it shows auto caption. We want to click on it. Our video is in English, so we want to select English from the drop down, and then we hit create. If you had other current caption you did in Capcut, I'm sure you can remove that, and you hit create. It's going to go out and it's going to create the caption for us. Yes, this is AI processed and you need to be connected to the internet to make this work effectively, but at the same time you also need to go cross-check on each caption to ensure what you said in the video is actually what is written out. This is very important, but instead of taking and just creating caption from scratch, you're going to be able to do this and just do minimal corrections and it should work well. As you can see, it's quite fast. It's just about 70% already, and we have the caption. And if we play this video, and if you notice before we play the video, as soon as the caption is created, you have this new box appear. Okay, and always ensure you click on apply to all. You don't just want to change one particular caption. So let's play it and see how it looks. Then we're going to go over to making it stylish, as you always see on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and the rest. Let's just make it. Let's play it and see. Perfect.
Guys, this December period, everyone is out, and I'm going to do something today.
Okay, so that is it. That is the first step. So let's get back to the beginning and let's make it stylish, because obviously we can't really see it. Yes, so let's go back to basic. Okay, font size, let's increase that a bit. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. Really don't want to overdo it at all. Okay, this should work, right? Let's get it to about 15. And then we can come back to template. I'm going to show you how to do stylish, different ways of doing it. I'm knitting it and all. So let's just use this one. So we're just going to hit the download button. Remember, with Canva PC, you need to be connected to the internet, because most of its elements and structure is based on the internet. But that is for a good reason, because you get a lot of updates and a lot of effects and a lot of all these captions you can work with. So it's super cool, not complicated. Okay, so we have it. So if we play it again, let's play it and you see.
Guys, this December period, everyone is out, and I'm going to do something today. I'm going to go out and meet.
Okay, sorry about that. So I just wanted to show you. the captions, the way it looks. So you can go over and do a lot of different things. For instance, now we can go over to animate and just add extra effects to it. Okay, the way you want it to come in, the way you want it to go out. So that's why you have the in, out effect and all. So you can just find one very cool one, like you see this one. They appear in different ways. Okay, this one looks cool, but it's called a throw out effect. So you can do that and put that on all the captions, and you're going to see how animated it's going to be now on. Okay, so let's just play it. Let's play.
Meet people and make their Christmas good. So I don't know who I'm going to see. I don't know who I'm going
let's see if we can find one. This is one I really like. I've always enjoyed using this particular one. Okay, it's quite fun. So let's. Okay, so for play it again.
Guys, this December period, everyone is out, and I'm going to do something today. I'm going to go out and meet people and make that.
Okay, so you see, it's easy, super easy. You can use a lot of different formats, okay, to make it work. A lot of them you can use, and you can also animate things. All right, you can change colors, you can make it glow. It's quite interesting. You can actually do a lot of things. You can change the font actually. If you don't want this font, you can actually change the font to a different font. As you can see, this energy is bigger, bolder, more interesting to use. Right, it's cool. It's quite cool. So you can see the way it is. If we play it now, right, if we just play.
Guys, this December period, everyone is out, and I'm going to do something today.
See how easy that is. You can as well just go over and add some other settings. You have blend, stabilize. Okay, just we talk for the text though, for the text, right? And you can also edit different texts. You can go to basics, like I said. As you can see, this is it. If you go to basic and you want to edit particular text, maybe it's not what you said in the video, you can do it from there and just change things around. You can increase the font. I showed you how to do that, and you can just do a lot of things. It's quite easy to work with. You have a lot of things. You can add glow to it. You can add shadows. You can add curve. There are super easy things you can do to it to make it more fanciful. Just play around with it and you see how easy it is to work with. It's not complicated at all, and you're going to love every process of it. Just test different caption style, check different colors, check different pop in and pop out animations, check different templates. Just get fancy with it, and you can get your own unique style doing caption, auto caption in Capcut PC. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get straight right to video number 9, and the lecture is going to be how to add transition in video. Okay, so let's make that video possible.